Do you want to learn how to remove the background from a photo on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Photos app on your iPhone, and then tap on the photo that you want to remove the background from. So now what you want to do next is tap and hold the center of the subject that you want to cut out. For example, I want to remove the background of this image. To do that, I am going to tap and hold the dog's face. As you can see by that white line, it showed that it selected the subject of this photo. Now I can just move this, and it will not have the background. So now you can do anything with this, like, for example, I can go over to the Messenger app and select a conversation. And I can just drop this image over here and send it to this person. And if I go back, I can tap and hold it. And once it has selected the subject, I can let go. So now you have two different options. You can copy this, and it will copy this image to your clipboard so that you can paste it anywhere you want. Or you can tap share and share that image without the background to any social media platform, or you can also airdrop it. Also, you can tap save image to save this image without a background. And it will be on your camera roll as a new photo. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.